Hello everyone, welcome back. So it's been a while since I did any kind of DIY video. Been doing tons and tons of planting around. Started a container garden. Getting ready to put some beans in. Hopefully I'll get everything straightened out this year. I'll do some videos on that and explain my little growing adventure down here in Florida. But for today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple plumb bob. And if you don't know what a plumb bob is, basically it's a triangular shaped piece of metal or brass or whatever that you hang a string from. So if you have, let's say this was a doorway and you wanted to find the exact center of a certain point. Let's say the doorway was right here, or a piece of framing, or what I'm using it for is a trellis, and you want to find this exact point down below on the ground, okay? You basically have a rope with a plumb bob at the end of it, which they're very, very cheap. You can go buy them. I could actually use this just by tying a piece of rope on it, but I'm just going to make a dedicated one. And what you would do is you tie the string on the top, you let it hang down, and wherever this is pointing on the ground is going to be the exact center, and it's going to be plumb. And if you don't know what plumb is, level is this way, plumb is this way. All right, let's get to it. What we're going to do is we need a little piece of copper to make a bail. We have a little piece of lead. I got a little chopstick here, which is going to hold my little bail. And then we have this step drill, okay? And these come in all different sizes. If you have a big one, you can use it. And I have just a chunk of wood that this is not going to go through, all right? So I'll take you over to the drill press, and we're going to drill a hole with this step drill. All right, let's get at it. And there you have it. All right, on to the next step. All right, so we got some molten lead. I just have this little pot, and I did it on my barbecue on the side burner. Just fair warning, make sure you do this stuff outside. Take all precautions. You know, lead is some nasty stuff. All right. All right, take this. All right, we're gonna let that dry. Almost didn't get that piece of copper in there, but we'll let that dry and I'll bring you back. So solidify it a little bit. We're gonna pour a little bit of water on it. I've made a lot of molds for lead things out of wood. You get a couple cast out of them and they're disposable, and they really doesn't cost anything if you have some scrap wood laying around. If you're gonna get, you know, make molds out of other materials, they're gonna cost you some money. All right. Still a little warm. All right, let's see if we can pop this out. Well, what I want to do. We'll give it a little tap on this side. Now that's going to want to get pulled out, but I just want to make sure it's hard enough. I think so. Hopefully it comes out. All right, we're gonna split this. Let me get a axe. I'm just gonna split it right here, and it'll pop it out. Give me a second. All right, well there it is. Again, very simple. I mean, it's, you know, these things could be machined. For what I need it for, this is gonna work perfectly. I mean, basically you could take anything that's metal and tie it onto something. But hey, I had a few minutes, so I said, let me make something. Now you just tie a knot onto this, get it on there. We'll trim this tag end. And basically, you have a plumb bob. Let me raise this up a little bit. So now, let me just grab something. Okay, let's just say this is a horizontal piece of wood, and right at that point you want to find out where it is on the ground, and you just hang this there until it stops, and wherever that's pointing to, that's going to be exactly plumb with that. A very simple little project. Again, there's probably a dozen ways you can make this, but I think that looks pretty cool with the step drill. So there you have it, an easy DIY plumb bob. You know I'm going to say it. I'm sending you all much, much love and appreciation, my brothers and sisters. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you're not getting hypnotized right now. Watch my plumb bob. Anyway, there you go. Hopefully you found it useful. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Notice I'm not stopping shaking it if you keep looking at it. Thanks for coming along, and we'll see you on the next one.